more breaking updates now coming in of the politics around it. The BJP hailed the grand celebration of the Festival of Lights, saying never before did Delhi government organize such a spectacular event on the occasion of Diwali. Also taking a dig at the previous governments in Delhi, accusing them of putting hurdles in the festivals associated with the Sanatan Dharma. They alleged that previous governments, due to reasons of vote bank politics, indulged in minority appeasement.
देखिए, पिछली सरकारें सनातन के त्योहारों के प्रति द्वेषपूर्ण रवैया रखती थी। पिछली सरकारें वोट बैंक की पॉलिटिक्स के चलते अल्पसंख्यकवाद को बढ़ावा देती थी। मुख्यमंत्री रेखा गुप्ता जी की सरकार सभी वर्गों को, सभी सेक्शंस ऑफ सोसाइटी को, सभी धर्मों को बराबर का मौका देती है। इसीलिए आज आप जगमग दिवाली देख रहे हैं।
लेकिन दिल्ली की पुरानी सरकारों ने हमारे सनातन के त्योहारों को बाधित करने का काम किया, जानबूझकर उसमें रोल ऐड करने का काम किया। अब दिल्ली में भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार है, तो हमारी मुख्यमंत्री उन सभी पुरानी परंपराओं को एक तरह से उनको जीवित करने का भी प्रयास करें और उसको उल्लास के साथ मनाने की कोशिश करें। तो ये सीधा सीधा संदेश होगा कि दिल्ली भविष्य का एक दिल्ली बनने जा रही है, एक विकसित दिल्ली बनने जा रही है, जो जगमगाएगी भी और खुशियां भी बांटेगी।
Niyamika continues to stay live with us. And Niyamika, the Kartavya Path looked absolutely stunning, illuminated with so many diya celebrations taking place, heralding the beginning of the Diwali celebrations in the national capital. But amid that, there's also a lot of politics playing out around it.
Well, yes, every year we have seen that how politics had started just before the Diwali celebration, as at that point in time there was the biggest issue for the national capital was pollution, and for that reason there was also a ban which was being put upon the crackers. But now this time the Delhi government is claiming that it is now the Sanatani government which is in power, and that is the only reason why the entire city will celebrate this Diwali in a grand celebration. And that is what the Chief Minister has also stated, as the BJP government in the national capital is basically making this allegation against the previous government, specifically the Aam Aadmi Party government, by saying that earlier this city was not being able to celebrate the Diwali festival in such a grand manner only because there was the appeasement politics which was being done by the previous governments, as they want to get the vote bank of the minorities, and that is the only reason why there was so much of restriction which was being put upon the celebration of Diwali. But this time it will not take place, and that is the only reason why there was a massive celebration which had taken place at Kartavya Path, where the entire road was filled with the diyas and the candles, and that is the only reason why the BJP is taking all the credits regarding this entire issue by stating that this time it is the Sanatani government which is in power, and the entire city, the entire national capital is going to celebrate this Diwali festival in unity and in grandness. Although they are also making this allegation upon the previous government of Aam Aadmi Party, stating that this has never taken place in the past because of the appeasement politics which used to be done by the Aam Aadmi Party government. However, there is no such reaction which has come in on the part of the Aam Aadmi Party regarding this kind of allegation which has been put upon upon them by the BJP government. But it will be really interesting to see that how they are going to react over this, how they are going to answer all these allegations which are being made by the BJP government in the national capital.
Okay, all right. From discussions around the pollution in the air to now talking about lighting diyas in the Kartavya Path, we've come a long way. Niyamika, do stay with us.